chicken poop now got dry. We're going through the passages inside the walls. It seems like we're in hospital, guys. We're going into the yellow ward now. I always amuse myself, guys, how places like these, historical places like these, were given to grow animals in them. Impossible is nothing! Good morning, guys, another adventure. We are in the limits of Cottonera here, Bormla. Let's go and explore. This looks like an old farm, guys. Look, it's not used anymore. Look, even the floor. Chicken poop now got dry. We are here, guys, in St. Clement's Retrenchment. We're going through the passages inside the walls. Every now and then there are these fire holes which were occupied by birds with Fahrenheit, centigrade. Look guys, thermometry, tarati. What are these? Maybe there were temperatures, a lot of them, for the eggs maybe. It's like a fan, maybe to keep the temperature. It's still going now. I'm tired, guys. I have to have a rest. It seems like we're in hospital, guys. We're going into the yellow ward now, or the yellow area. We are noticing here that some of the openings along the corridor here were closed with wooden frames. Look, and wooden arches, and painted from inside. Look, and closed. The fire positions closed with plastic as well. Oh, who knows why? Julia Roberts. Hello, Julia Roberts. And this was a calendar. Look, 2001. Maybe it was still in use here by 2001. Trays for eggs. This area was used for rabbit farming, guys. And we noticed this because of rabbit poo. And behind me, as you can see, there's written something rabbitry. Another calendar, this time 2004. A dartboard. Some coins here. I don't know what currency they are. Hello CNG, hello, good morning. I always amuse myself, guys, how places like these, historical places like these, were given for people to grow animals in them. And they are deteriorated in the state that you can see. I cannot understand how the authorities, if they gave permission, managed to do so. What is it? Mid-Med Bank Limited. Oh, a lot of receipts from Mid-Med Bank here. This seems like being a big store for paperwork and receipts. I remember these kind of telephones. How many hours I used to be talking and talking. Hello? part is still part of St. Clement's Bastion, guys. We are inside St. Clement's Bastion. These used to be filled with water because there is still water from them coming down. These are for feeding the chickens. You fill them up from here, and then food goes down gradually from down here. The chickens eat. Thanks to my buddy today for being of good company. Unfortunately, we cannot go through and show you more of this St. Clement retrenchment. Hope you love the photos and the information and the footage. Keep on tuned to our channel. Those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It means a lot to us. In line with our activity, #3 guys, we are doing some cleanup as well as usual. And we'll show you at the end how many waste or litter we have collected. Let's go. In less than 10 minutes, guys, we managed to collect a bag full of plastic. Thanks to John Paul for this initiative as well. Remember #3 and remember, guys, every place you visit, try to leave it better and cleaner than you found it. Thanks. Until next time, Saħħa u Slim.